Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to generate S-curve in Primavera P6. What is an S-curve? S-curve is simply a graph plotting cumulative values over time for a project. These values might be displayed as units, that is labor hours, or as a currency values. This type of graph is called S-curve simply because more often than not the series will plot out into an elongated S shape. What is the purpose of using an S-curve? S-curves are considered as graphical project management tool for project planning and measuring project performances. They can show the progress of work over time and form a historical record of project trends and variations. Now we will see how to generate S-curve based on the cost values in Primavera P6. We will open a project. In this project, we have the baseline project total cost value and also the actual total cost value updated. So to generate a S-curve, we need to go to the views, go to the bottom layout. In the bottom layout, you need to select the activity usage profile option. When you select the option, you can see the bars histogram and the curves are generated here based on the cost value. So if you want to see it clearly, you can drag this column and you can also drag this box here. So if you want to see the value based on the all the activities or only for the selected activities, there is an option. So you can see here for the select, if you want to select a particular activity which is having the cost, you can also view. So you can select the activity. So for the particular selected activity, this is the cost value and this is the curve which is generated. So I will just go with the all the activities. So the S-curve and the histogram is generated for the whole project. So you can also see the display option here. In the display option, you can also customize the time scale. So go to the time scale. So you can customize your time scale based on the year, month or month, week. So how you want, you can customize your time scale here. So I will go with the year and month option here. Then apply, click OK. So your S-curve and the histogram based on the cost is generated for the monthly basis. Then again you can go to the display option, then go to the activity usage profile option. In the activity usage profile option, you can see data tab and the graph tab. First we will go with the data tab. Since we are going to create a S-curve based on the cost, so we will display the cost. Then filter for bars and curves. So which data you want to filter. So if you want to show the cost for the labor cost, non-labor cost, material cost or the expenses, or you want to combine all this and have a cumulative in the total. So I will go with the total value. So I will select the total cost of the project. Then show bars or curves. So for which item you want to show the bars and the curves. So baseline, if you want to show the baseline bars or if you want to show the baseline curves, you can select this option. I will go with the budgeted bars and the cumulative budgeted cost curve. Then actual bar and the actual curve, cumulative actual curves, then the remaining. So it is indicated by these colors. You can also change the colors as per your requirement. Then show earned value curves. If you want to show the earned value calculations, you can also use these curves, planned value curves, earned value curves and the estimated completion curves also here. Then we will go to the graph tab. In the graph tab, you can see vertical lines, show the vertical major lines and the minor lines. So now the vertical lines is for the yearly basis. If you want to show the minor lines, it will be in the monthly basis also, it will show the minor lines. So horizontal lines, how you want to show the horizontal lines, dotted lines, solid lines or none. What is the line color, you can modify the color here. Then additional display options. So you want to show the legendary box. So this is the legendary box. In the legendary box, whichever the curve you have selected, budgeted, actual and remaining. So three bars and the curves you have selected. So everything will be available in the legendary box. So if you want to show the legendary box or not, you can choose this option here. If you want to apply the 3D bars, so if you want to show the 3D bars in the printout, you can show this option. So if you want to show the values, that is the cost, what is the cost values or the unit values, if you want to show it here in the graph, you can show it here. So these are all the options available in the activity usage profile option. Then you can apply, then click OK. Now if you want to take a printout of the S curve, how to do that one? So I will just collapse all, then I will just collapse to first WBS level, then I will go to the print preview. In the print preview you can just go to the page setup, then make it fit to 1. I will make it to A4, then go to the option. Then if you want to show the activity table and if you want to show the Gantt chart, you can choose this option. Otherwise you can just uncheck this option. I want to show only the profile, then click apply. Okay, now you can see the profile is already generated. This is the S curve. So you can see that actual is in the green color, budgeted total cost is in the yellow color. This is the budgeted total cost S curve, and this is the remaining total cost. Remaining total cost will start from the data date. Blue color is the data date, so remaining total cost will be generating from the data date. So this is how you are going to generate a S curve in Primavera P6.